I'm Linsey Cornish from 3-4 Beer Company, and here's your craft beer and brewing tip of the week. The last thing to consider when making a great stout is your finished product. What carbonation level are you going to achieve, or are you going to delve into the realm of nitrogenation? When I carbonate my stouts, I generally like to keep them a little bit lower carbonated than my other beers, comparatively to a pale ale, definitely saisons. I'm looking at the 2.5 to 2.6 volume realm. Keeping stouts at this volume level allows for the beer to be not as bitey and overly carbonated and a little bit more smooth and enjoyable, in my opinion. Nitrogenation is also another option that a lot of people are going to. They're smaller bubbles, they're going to give you a creamier mouthfeel, but it is a little bit more tricky if you don't have the equipment to do so, and it causes other issues with pouring. However, consumers love it because it really is like a milkshake in a bottle, or can, or a keg. So depending on what you're looking for, all of that should be taken into account. And for a little tidbit of extra information, carbonation isn't just the tactile bubble feel that you're getting from those bubbles. There actually is a chemical reaction from the carbonic acid with a CO2 beer that's going to change how people perceive it, and it will be more biting. Hence why more people are going to nitrogenation for some of these beers to eliminate that. However, without that carbonation, you're not going to get that beautiful aroma bursting out of your stout full of chocolate and roast and toffee. To learn more about brewing great stouts, click the link below.